In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Telegram videos in your phone gallery. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and locate the video that you would like to download. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and play it. Now, typically, whenever you begin playing a video, Telegram is automatically going to begin downloading it. But what you could also do is press on these three dots, then go ahead and select on Save to Gallery just like so. And there you go. It will now say Video Saved to Gallery. Now from here, please go ahead and open up your gallery app and double check if it is there. So in my instance, it is actually not appearing in my gallery. And if that happens to you, do not worry. All that means is that we need to use another file managing software in order to actually view it. Now, if you're on an Android device, I recommend using this application called File Manager. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. So here's the app. It is called File Manager Plus, and this will basically allow you to sort between your device's files, and it is incredibly beginner friendly and free. So just make sure you download this exact version. You could use other file managing software. I personally think that this one is the best one out there though. So go ahead and press on open, then go ahead and select on videos just like so, and then go ahead and select on the folder that is called Telegram. And then in this folder, you should be able to see the video that you did just install. And yep, here is the video that we did in download right over here. So here's the video that we did download. It definitely does look pretty good. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.